Welcome to Bluewave University, and this is Karthik Prakash here. And my mission here is to make sure that I support individuals like you to overcome your habits that setting you back from achieving your personal transformation goals. By using a powerful technique of our Kmap system, our Kmap framework, which is integrated with resilience coaching and advanced AI tools, it is easy to achieve this. But only thing I need from you is your intention to transform. Rest, I will take care of everything. Now, what do you get in this package that I'm talking about? And yes, this is the Secret Bluewave book that I've authored. The half of the book is completely about the lessons that I've explained in very simple terms, and rest is about the 30-day action plan that you'll be able to follow day on day. Also, you'll be receiving the video version of this in the course format that you get access immediately after you do this. Click on the button on the right. Now, this video will again is the format of the book, which you'll be able to follow, and you'll also get access to the mobile app so that you'll be able to access it whenever you need it, depending on the time that you choose is fit. Plus, you'll also have a 30 minutes one-on-one call where we will be discovering about your personality type, your purpose, and what is the deepest desires that you have, and if any setbacks that will be affecting you. So all this will be using it through an AI tool wherein you will be doing it yourself on your screen through the advanced settings and access to this free tool that we'll be giving it to you. So what you're waiting for, go ahead, click on the link on the right, and let's get started. Thank you.